For this video, we're gonna play COD and COD Mobile. Okay. We're gonna play multiplayer. I will play Battle Royale if I manage to get verified. Okay, crash. Hindi ko din. You and me. Ito siya naman yun. Oh, no, I'm not If you do what I like to do, become a sniper.
Target's inside!
What? What?
Reloading, cover me.
Oh,
Contact with enemy.
retry.
Ow. Bigyan mo pa ako ng isa pang pagkakataon.
Okay.
Nangangako ako.
Let's see if I... Ow, what the... That's why.
Target down!
Okay, I'm just like the glitcher. Ow,
Siya, ang masamang babae
the glitcher.
Target's inside!
Huwag kang magpapatid.
Changing mag.
Kills.
Kailanman ay hindi tayo naging pamilya. Mahal, sila ang nagugulong. Hindi sila patatawarin. Tayo ang pamilya. Ako pa rin ang ama ng
Okay,
anak
where's
ko.
the...
Reloading. Enemy contact.
It's empty. Predator missile on standby.
Nakipaglandian siya sa ibang lalaki, tapos iniwan ng siya.
Okay,
Kaya sa iyo niya isinisi ang lahat.
let's continue. It's kinda taking a long time.
President Biden. Siya
Okay.
mismo ang nagsabi na nakuha
Enemy contact.
sa West City. Nagawa yun. At saka, President Biden, bakit mo naman kakailanganin ang tulong niya para lang makakuha ng mga Nagkaroon ng problema sa proyekto sa West City. Ibang sabihin,
Friendly hunter-killer drone
There's
deployed.
a killer drone deployed.
Target down.
Oh, was it a double kill?
Changing mag. Cover me.
Yun ay noon, pero iba na ngayon. Ano ibig mong sabihin? Nakumpleto ko na ang lahat ng
Enemy in sight.
walang ibang
Enemy down.
para sa lupain na yun maliban sa akin. Bye, Big Swan.
Hunter-killer drone.
Dati ay
Predator missile waiting for us.
Changing mag.
Cover
Cover
me.
me.
kunan ang 10 bilyong putas.
UAV online.
Pero ngayon,
Hunter-killer drone deployed.
Enemy down.
Friendly predator missile inbound.
Targets in sight. Tango down. Reloading. Cover me.
ginawa ko yun.
Enemy in sight. Enemy down.
Anong problema mo, Big Swan?
Target down.
Predator missile on standby.
Mawawala na sa akin.
Oops.
Mahal,
Enemy down. Enemy in sight.
tulad ng nakikita mo, wala ka na.
stuck.
UAV online. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
Asawa niya at mas masunurin pa siya. Ano ba talagang relasyon nila? Anong nangyari?
Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
So that's why I'm lagging.
Enemy contact.
Oh.
Contact with enemy.
Thank you guys for watching the video and also subscribe to my friend TJ Mac Dude.